Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you watch this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. Today I have a little unboxing and we'll decide what to do with it. It is a clip from Lynch that I ordered. Let's just get right to it. Real quick, I want to thank the channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I want to thank any of you guys who come by and watch my EDC and knife content. It means a lot to me. I appreciate it. And if you're ever so inclined and you get the chance, if you'll hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, it always helps me out. So this is a clip I ordered from Lynch Northwest, and we will use our, I almost sliced myself. We will use our Amazon little titanium, and we've got a Lynch cool little keychain, what I ordered, new cool Lynch sticker, and what I love, as silly as it is, just that personal touch, a little thank you card from Casey with a little picture in his business card. I'm a huge fan of Lynch Northwest. I love their clips. I love the fact that they kind of listen to what people are looking for and try to make, different clips to see if we like them, right? So this is a tip, or a clip that's called the Protech Standard Blacksmith. That's the color they call it. It's the closest thing to black. I originally purchased it for the Mordax that I just got back from warranty, but then I picked up the little Strider Protech, and I'm going to put this one on the Mordax. I'm going to put this back in my pocket. Great little knife. So much so that I'm working on a potential trade for a S&G, but this is my Good Screw titanium driver that they were nice enough to send me to check out, and I really like it. It's a great driver. And this is a T6 bit because, if I'm not mistaken, these clips are T6. Let's just real quickly see if we can get these out. Without boogering them up. Got a little Loctite on them. Alright. See that Loctite, guys? Do you see it? But it wasn't too tight. Let me see if I can get my screw out. Alright. So now we got our two little screws. I wasn't going to do this, but let me clean up that little area where I see that red Loctite because I'm OCD. I apologize, guys. I did not think that this was going to be a step that we would use. But if I don't do it, I will think about it being there. And I don't want to do that. So I'm going to clean that red Loctite out of there. You can see it down in that. Put that on, little alcohol on that. That's close enough. But anyway, what I think is kind of cool, even though this is a right-hand carry only, it is, it's got this little ramp right here that the clip sits on, even the Lynch clip. Whoops. So we're sitting on this pad where it's not going to be an issue. Yeah, let's see what it does. All right, so I'm going to take my Protech clip And I'm going to stick it in my little bag. And I'm going to stick it in my Casey Lynch Northwest box. And now we're going to see if I can get this one mounted. Sorry guys, being a spaz. I hate T6s, but I understand them, I guess. I just used the original clip screws. And now I have that clip. Let's see how the color matches to that Blacksmith. Not quite as dark, maybe, but I like it. Let's see how it goes in and out of pocket. Very nice. Actually much smoother in and out of pocket. So yeah guys, that's the Protech Mordax. Fresh back from a warranty claim where I had a little detent lash. They actually sent me a brand new knife. I could tell because it didn't have any wear marks on it, and I'd had this for about a year. But guys, that is a Lynch Northwest Protech CL Pro STD Black SMT Clip Protech Standard. So if you guys go over to Lynch Northwest, check out the clips they've got for a lot of different knives. I might get one for my I like the clip, but I'm thinking about getting a clip for my McNeese. So guys, I appreciate y'all hanging out, checking out my little weird video, and watching our clip update. That's kind of a comparison between the stock clip and the Protech clip from Lynch. Guys, appreciate you more than you know. I love each and every one of you. All I ever ask is if you'll please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.